Multivitamins are found in grocery stores, at Costco, in drugstores, and probably, your medicine cabinet. They are everywhere. However, do they do anything for your brain health or provide any cognitive benefit? A January study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, a group of scientists from Harvard Medical School and Columbia University report that a daily multivitamin can improve memory and even slow some of the cognitive decline that comes with aging. Compared with a placebo, older adults ages 60 and up who took a multivitamin daily, Centrum Silver, scored better when tested for overall cognitive ability and noticeably better in episodic memory, or recalling events or experiences. For older adults, taking a multivitamin a day could be an easy way to preserve brain health. In the trial, 3,500 people over age 60 were randomly assigned to take a daily multivitamin or a placebo for 3 years. The researchers then evaluated their brain function after the first year and again 2 years later. People who had taken a multivitamin every day for a year showed greater improvement in their ability to recall items in a test compared to before they began taking the vitamins. Not only were the improvements greater for the vitamin takers than those taking a placebo, but the effects for the vitamin takers lasted throughout the entire 3-year study. Recommendations for or against vitamins and supplements have traditionally been confusing since the results of studies are sometimes mixed, and the Food and Drug Administration does not oversee the supplement industry, so the manufacturers are often left alone to maintain standards, or even to present realistic claims. It is up to research studies from reputable institutions like these to cut through the noise. Since this study only looked at the elderly, there isn't enough evidence to create a recommendation for the general population, but multivitamins are generally low risk, and probably most age groups should be able to add one to their routine without issues. Although, this study did not pinpoint the exact ingredients that produced these effects, certain nutrients have been historically linked to brain health in the past, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are in foods like salmon and can also be found in other foods like avocados and walnuts. Generally speaking though, when striving for a vitamin-rich diet for brain health, choose healthy nutrient-dense foods as a general rule. Because the best vitamin or supplement for you may depend on your age, individual health or other medications you're taking, the National Institute on Aging recommends choosing a brand or combination that your doctor, pharmacist or dietitian recommends. That being said, there are easy-to-grab choices for multivitamins by brands that are reputable and claim to conduct tests by third-party labs or parties. It's highly recommended to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your vitamin or supplement regimen. Your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your medical history, current health status, and potential interactions with medications you may be taking. This ensures you make informed decisions that are safe and effective for your individual health needs.